I'm freaking out, man. Woo! I know it's enough to give you an epileptic fit, but no, what it is Cave Fighter. Cave Fighter. There it is. Programmed by Richard Clark, who I would call a fruit bat, but he made another game that I like. Even though that other game that I like is fucking impossible, this is almost just as hard. This game, the idea is to get through the caves. There's 100 caves, I think, from memory. You can choose with the function keys, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, there's all these weird aliens that make really annoying fucking sounds in it. I'll show you. Yeah, right. Hear that? So, I'm this white dude down here. You can shoot by holding down. Even that is annoying. Either that or jump. The idea is to conquer the cave. Oh, crap. See, the problem is you can't touch any sharp edges. You have to be really careful. So it's one down. So, probably go down there. Oh, you piece of shit. Alright. So if I was to try, if I walked into that little curvy bit there, I'd die because it's too sharp. I know. So if you thought you guys would play fucked up games on PlayStation 2, you obviously haven't seen Cave Fighter. As fucked up as this shit. What the fuck was that? This bullet came out of nowhere. As fucked up as this game was, it was actually very challenging. Oh, that's right. Those fucking flowers, man. They shoot you. Yeah, the flowers shoot you. They must have been on crack when they made this. Oh, you son of a bitch. Sometimes from memory, yeah, I remember that. If you spam long enough, you get lucky and the bullet will go through the load. Because normally the bullets are supposed to fucking... Alright. No, this part's hard, I remember. Alright. Surprised nothing so bad. Played this for ages. Come on, come on. Get one through, come on. Did it before. Come on. Oh, that was lucky. Alright. Oh! Owned! Alright, let's try it again. Alright, so obviously that doesn't go high enough. Shit, I forgot what you do here. Oh, that's it. Alright. Son of a bitch. That fucking flower's gonna kill me, I know it. Fucking flower, can you believe it? A flower kills you. That's just fucked up. No! Oh, yes. Can I get him? Oh, come on. Yeah! Who's your daddy? Oh, you can't! That's the end of the level, like there! That's so fucked, man. There was nothing I could have done then. Nothing. Nothing. There was no way out of that. I had to die. That is so fucking tight. See, the way it works is it just randomly generates enemies. Whether it be one of those cunt fucking flowers. Oh, man. Oh, what? The fucking joystick fucked up on me. Great. Let me try it again. I pushed across and it stopped fucking responding. Alright. Die, you piece of shit. Alright. Oh, that's so tight. Yeah! Cave 1 complete. Yeah, that's right. That's only the first motherfucking cave, man. Like I said, there's like 100 caves. Cave 1 complete. Bonus. Next cave coming up. Good luck, Cave Fighter. Man, this game is such a bastard. Oh my god. And that annoying really gets on your nerves after a while. So yeah, each cave presents a new challenge, a new layout. And back in the day, as annoying as this game was, it wasn't so bad. Yeah, just very annoying. Very frustrating at times. Ooh, my balls there. Oh, you can't! Oh, and I jumped it and it still fucking killed me. Fuck you. So, as shitty as this game was, it was actually pretty addictive. If you had nothing better to do, you really could play this. Play it and play it and play it. And eventually ignore all that shit, you know, because, yeah, that does get on your nerves. But not a bad game. What can I say? Cave Fighter, I'd probably give it 6 out of 10. Just because, yeah, it's repetitive and it's annoying. But yeah, it's one of those puzzle games that it's pretty much a puzzle. It's not a puzzle game like Tetris, but you know what I mean. You got to work out when to jump and how high and all that shit. It's a puzzle like that. So, yep, I'd give it 6. And thanks for watching another Commodore 64 all-time classic review.